This is the Shapley Supercluster, a city of galaxies. Floating in the southern sky, 400 million light-years from Earth. It spans over 650 million light-years, pulling hundreds of galaxies toward it, like a magnet in the dark. But this is just a speck. In this video, we journey through the most massive structures ever discovered in the universe, starting with Earth, our home. A pale blue fragment suspended in a black ocean. To us, it feels endless. Mountains stretch like titans, oceans vast beyond measure. But in the scale of the cosmos, Earth is an atom floating between giants. Let's begin our journey from home to the unknown. This is the biggest planet discovered by humans. A planet 9 times the size of Jupiter, a young giant, 450 light-years away, still glowing from its birth heat. It's so big, it blurs the line between planet and failed star. But even this is small. Now we drift toward the Scutum Centaurus arm of the Milky Way, home to a dying giant, hidden in a cloud of red dust. Stephenson 218, a star so immense it could swallow the inner solar system whole. Over 2,100 times the size of our sun. A slow-burning colossus, flickering at the edge of stellar possibility. It may not explode in our lifetime, but when it does, it will leave behind nothing but silence. Black holes are one of the greatest mysteries of all time. They challenge everything we know about physics. And this is the biggest of them all, Phoenix A, the most massive black hole ever measured by volume, lurking at the center of a galaxy cluster 1.3 billion light-years away. Its event horizon could engulf our entire solar system, twice. Estimated to weigh over 100 billion suns, it sleeps beneath a blanket of hot gas, a cosmic leviathan that once devoured everything around it. Galaxies. Structure that holds everything together. Asteroids, planets, stars, and countless black holes. Our planet, Earth, lies quietly within the Milky Way, a vast spiral galaxy stretching over 100,000 light-years from end to end. It is home to over 100 billion stars, countless worlds, and the invisible forces of gravity and time, all spinning together in a cosmic dance. This is the largest galaxy ever discovered, over 400,000 light-years wide. A colossus so immense, it could consume more than 100 Milky Ways, and still hunger for more. Its heart is cold. Its stars, old, fading embers, drifting in silence. A galactic graveyard, floating in the dark, forgotten by time. But scale always has another layer. Beyond that awaits the Virgo Supercluster. A structure of staggering order, a congregation of galaxies, each one a city of stars. Grouped into families, stretched across 110 million light-years. And somewhere within, our own Milky Way, curled like a leaf in a forest too vast to see. One galaxy, in over 100 clusters. One voice, in a chorus of thousands. Then, there is the Sloan Great Wall, a thread of galaxies woven across the darkness, 1.4 billion light-years long. Once thought to be the edge of cosmic structure itself, a map drawn in gravity, a fossil of the early universe, a wall not of stone but of stars, stretching so far. We only know it exists because we looked, because we asked. Billions of light-years from here, we arrive at something unexpected, something graceful, something enormous. The giant arc, a colossal curve etched in galaxies, quasars, and ancient clouds of gas. It stretches like a bow across the universe. 3.3 billion light-years wide, too vast, too ordered, to be chance. Its discovery shakes the foundations of cosmology. The idea that the universe has no center, no edge, no pattern. But this is a pattern, a cosmic crescent, shaped not by us, but by time and gravity. Finally, we arrive at the Titan among titans, the largest known structure in the observable universe. The Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a wall of galaxies woven through space, 10 billion light-years across. Let that sink in. It is so vast, light from one side hasn't had time to reach the other in the entire history of the universe. It stands in silence. No beginning, no clear end. Just a vast, glowing wall of galaxies stretched across time. It doesn't ask to be understood. It simply is. A presence so massive, it humbles the very idea of distance, of scale, of meaning. Not a structure, but a message. That beyond all we've seen, there is still more. And so, our journey ends. Across stars, across voids, across the largest structures ever known. Yet for all we've seen, we've only scratched the surface. The universe is not just massive, it's unfinished. And we are still discovering how small we are and how far we can go.